See this little guy right here? This is a fully wireless microphone. Now, this is the DJI Mic Mini, which you can actually get with this cool little carrying case here that comes with two different microphones, so you can actually put one on another person and interview them, as well as a receiver that you can plug directly into the device that you want to record the video on, like let's say a smartphone, and record natively that audio to the device without having to worry about any wires. Because sometimes with these nice little lapel mics, you've got to conceal a wire under your shirt, and it's great not having to worry about that with this mic. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is DJI's Mic Mini. So without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see at the front, it says DJI Mic Mini. It's got a picture of what comes in the box here. Over here, it's got the DJI website, this side DJI logo, and then on the back, some more information about it. Like for example, the weight of the mic, 10 grams, high quality audio, 48-hour operation with the case, DJI Osmo audio, 2-level active noise canceling, and automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. So lots of cool features in these mics right here. So anyway, let's pop it open. We can start by peeling the plastic off the outside, and then once we've got the plastic off, we can go ahead and pop the top of this box right here and then pull the actual mics out. So here they are in a nice little carrying case. And then here we've got some paperwork as well. Box is empty. We can put this to the side. First, let's check out what's in the paperwork sack right here. We can open this up. There's actually a quick start guide in addition to all these fun little stickers. But now, anyway, for the star of the show, let's check out the mic. So we can slide this out. And here is the little carrying case. This is kind of cute. It's got a little tag right here. And let's unzip it. And see, we've got here some wind cushions to protect against wind if that's blowing really hard outside. We've got a charging cable, and then we've got the actual mic and some silica gel right here. And here we go. We've got the charging case right here. So those cables were a USB-C to USB-A cable. Kind of weird, I don't use USB-A anymore. We've got a little stereo jack cable, and then yes, here is the actual case. So press to unlock. Let's see, can we take this off? And then boom, let's see, press to unlock. And here it is. Check it out. I love the design, first of all, of these receivers and transmitters. It just looks so mean, but in a good way with that black and orange. And then just one more thing before we go ahead and check out the mics themselves. I'll show you a bit around this carrying case. So we've got a pouch there, pouch in the middle, more organizing stuff on the sides here. So yes, that's great, but let's check out the stars here. And now that we've got these unboxed, let's get them all set up here with my 16 Pro Max. So first things first, what we're gonna wanna do is pull the receiver out of the box right here. Now, basically this is the piece that you plug into your camera or your phone. To do that, you're gonna wanna take this piece off, and then you're going to want to put the little adapter right here, the USB-C one, if you're using a 16, onto the mic itself. So we can go ahead and slide this in right here. And you're definitely just gonna wanna make sure you get the USB-C adapter here in all the way to make sure it works with your phone. And then once you've got that in, you can go ahead and pop the actual microphone itself out of the carrying case, and you can put it on. And to put it on, what you're gonna wanna do is pull this magnet off, and then you're gonna wanna put the one end of the magnet right here behind your article of clothing you're trying to put it on. So now it is on my lapel like that. How do I look? Pretty snazzy. And then you're going to plug the receiver right here into your iPhone or whatever device you're using it with. So first let me go ahead and unlock my iPhone, and then I'm gonna go ahead and push this in, and now we should be ready to go. So to start things off, I'm here in Apple's own default camera app for the iPhone, and let me record a video and test out how this mic sounds. So here I am, and let's do this. So right now I'm testing the microphone audio quality here on the DJI Mic Mini. See, I'm tapping it right there so you can tell that's what I'm using. How does this sound? So right now I'm testing the microphone audio quality here on the DJI Mic Mini. See, I'm tapping it right there so you can tell that's what I'm using. how does this sound? And now folks, I think that actually sounded really great. Another thing that you'll notice here on the receiver for the Mic Mini is that you can go ahead and adjust the gain function. So you can make it +6, +12, 0, which is what I'm going to leave it at because I thought that sounded fine, -6 and -12. If you ever want to play around with that, that is super easy. Also on the front, you have a green light right here to indicate that's on. It has lights over here to indicate which microphone is connected, 1 or 2. Over here on this side, stereo jack, as well as a linking button. Over here on the back, you've got a USB-C port, and over here on this side, you've got a power button. So a lot going on here on this little cute receiver. But then folks, if you want to access more different settings for the DJI Mic Mini besides what is here on the receiver itself, you can actually go into the DJI Mimo app here while you've got the receiver plugged into your phone and see a bunch of different things. So first of all, you can turn on noise cancellation between strong and basic. I've got it on basic, switch between mono and stereo sound, enable safety track, low cut, auto off, all these different things. But the one thing I really want to change is actually turning off the mic LED right here, because I think this is going to be super distracting if I'm filming videos and there's a glowing green light on me. So I'm actually going to go ahead, turn that off, and now as you can see instantly there's no indicator light on. So yes, now I can't tell just by looking at it that the mic is on, but I don't want a flashing green light on me. So I'm glad they have, you know, an ability to play with that there. And yeah, you can also see the battery charge on each of your different parts of this Mic Mini, and you can see that it's also picking up my audio because that's moving around as I'm speaking here. But now anyway, for the rest of the video, I want to switch to the DJI Mic Mini audio here. So I'm going to put away my wired mic, and boom, now you should be hearing me through the DJI Mic Mini. So once again, I think this guy is super awesome. I love that it comes with 2 different microphones if you ever want to record an interview with someone, and this charging case. Overall, I think this is a great product so far, but this is just my unboxing video of it. So definitely feel free to let me know down in the comments if you guys have this DJI Mic Mini for yourselves. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And if you are looking to pick up the DJI Mic Mini, it'll set you back about $170. So not exactly cheap, but I do think you get a lot of value for that price. And yeah, folks, with that, that'll do it for this nice, quick, easy unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. If you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.